discuss the four distinctive job evaluation systems. First is the job ranking. It's the simplest job evaluation methods where the entire job is compared to other based on its perceived overall value to the organization. For example, commonly at a retail store might be determined that the store manager is ranked highest, followed by the assistant manager, and then the cashier. This resulting hierarchy is then used directly to assign salary grades, ensuring the most available jobs are compensated accordingly. The second one is the job satisfaction classification. It's a job evaluation method that it establishes predefined grades or classes and then slot job into the grade that base matches the job's overall responsibilities and difficulty. For example, a company might define grade A as routine or clerical, placing job like mail-room clerk into it, and grade D as professional or manager, placing the department head to the category. This system ensures interactivity by compensating all jobs within the same grades at a similar level, regardless of this specific job title. The third one is the factor comparison. Method is a quantitative job evaluation technique that comparison with opposite factor like skill, effort, responsibility, and working condition rather than treating the job as a whole. Key jobs are selected and ranked factor by factor, and then a monetary rate is allocated to each factor for the key jobs, such as assigning 5 per hour of the key job varies to the skill factor. This monetary value assigned to each factor of the pay job is then used to determine the pay rate for all other jobs being evaluated. The last one is the point factor methods. It's the most widely used quantitative job evaluation technique where jobs are broken down into comparable factors like skill, effort, and responsibility, and different degrees of this factor are assigned specific point values. A job is evaluated by assessing the required degree for each factor and summing the corresponding points to get